In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can draw door elevation and sectional elevation. So let's start with the unit. First you have to set the unit. Here I'm using architecture and then inches. Use rectangle command. Click on screen. Type B. Enter. Here I'm using size 3 feet 3 inches by 7 feet. So use offset command for framing. Here I'm using 2-inch frame. Now explode. I want to break it, so I'm using X command. Click select line and then erase. Extend EX. Double enter. So our frame is ready. Now we have to design it. So if you have particular design, then you can do it. Here I'm just using a very simple design. So use RE offset command. Use offset command and 4 inches. From here I want 8 inch. Line. Select M. Enter. Click here. 8 inch. Use trim TR. Double enter. I want to trim these lines also. Now it's done. So this part I want 2 feet 4 inches. Offset 2 feet 4 inch. This panel I'm using 4 inch again. So you can see these lines are not connected, so you want to join it because I want to use a offset command. Select J, enter. Offset 0.5. For beading I'm using 0.1. So our elevation is ready. Now we have to draw the sectional elevation. Here I am using a construction line. X shortcut key is XL. First we have to draw the frame. Use line command. Because we are cutting from here. Even okay, let me show you. Left, I'm using a line and show you. I'm cutting from here, right? So first we have to show the frame. Frame size I'm using 2.5. Okay, let's move it. We will move here. This is first panel, REC, enter, filter, D, enter. So first panel thickness I am using 1.5. Enter, height that's 4 inches. Move command, M, select your object, place and then place here. Right? And second panel size I am using 0.5 REC, enter, D, enter, 0.5 and 1 feet 6 inches. Sorry, 2 feet 6 inches. Move and place here. Okay. It's small, use the stretch command, S, enter and branch. Here we want same panel size, copy and then paste. Here we want same, but we want to extend it. X, S, enter, select and then normally drag it. Now this panel we need to copy. So select this panel and move it. So we can check. Okay, stretch, S, enter. This one is ready. Here you can show the building. F, enter, radius 0.1, and then trim. So we can mirror it. Good. Same thing we can copy. Erase the guideline. Right from bottom, let's mirror and I. Select your object and center point, click on screen, again enter. So we have to just move it. And then trim. So from here we have to erase. Now copy. Sorry. Now again copy. Select and then paste. Trim. So you can see our sectional elevation is ready. Here you can show the wall. Right. So you can show wall. This is frame. Panel 1, panel 2, panel 3, panel 4, panel 5. So this is our sectional elevation. According to your thickness, you have to show here. where you are using 1 inch or half inch panel.